Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael coming at you again with another episode of Unusual Options Activity. Week 3, baby, so yeah, let's get to it. But first, before we get into it, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family and I really appreciate it as well. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so this week, since we're in Colorado, I'm not at home, I don't have my full trading setup that I normally have. This week, we're just going to check the unusual options activity on my phone, as well as pick up the plays on my phone. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so here we are on barchart.com, ready to hop in and take a look at this unusual options activity. So just a reminder, what I'm personally looking for with these unusual options is not really doing too much research with it, just looking at the volume and then just going into the charts and seeing if I think it's possible or if I think I can profit from it. And I don't want to spend any more than $40 for a play. So in this video, we'll pick up about 3. And yeah, but actually before we pick up 3, I need to show you how we were doing on the last ones we picked up. Okay, so here we are in Tastyworks. These are the positions I picked up last time. I still have them. I didn't sell out of them. I kind of missed my opportunity with them. Okay, so if we look at the portfolio, on the day for these positions, I'm up $1 on Exxon. I am down $2 on Ford. Overall, I'm down 33 on Exxon and I'm down $17 on Ford. And Ford basically has no value at all. And Exxon is worth $1. So yeah, these are looking pretty much valueless. But since they expire this week, I waited too long to sell them. I wasn't really watching it as closely. Was profitable on these at one point, but I missed my chance to sell. So these are likely just gonna die here. But anyways, we're gonna go back to bar chart and pick out 3 new plays. All right, so immediately when I open bar chart, I already have it sorted by volume, as you can see. It looks like we're getting some looks like there's some high activity on American Airlines and Apple and Bank of America. So let's see what I can find in my price range and we'll get to it. So for starters, we got this American Airlines, a $21 call. The bid is 19 cents. I can work with $19. Okay, so I'm gonna check out American Airlines real quick. And for those of y'all wondering which app I am using to check the charts on my mobile, this is the Mobile Webull platform, and Webull is great for checking charts. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for Webull using the link down below in the description and get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 just for signing up and making a small deposit. And not only do you get free stocks, but it helps me too. So if you decide to do that, thank you, and let me know what stock you got. But anyways, looking at American Airlines on the month, that last move got them up to that $21 point, so I think they can do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Okay, so it looks like my order got filled for $18, so first one in the bag. All right, now let's go check another one. The next one that I'm seeing that I like is this 2450 Bank of America put. Actually, I've already seen the charts for Bank of America today, so I'm comfortable grabbing this right off the bat. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and grab one of those straight away. It's a 2450 put that expires this week, and the bid price is 25 cents. So let's see if it's still in that range. So I just put that order in and it looks like I got filled at 22 cents. So this week I'm 2 for 2 on getting filled. And now let's try to find one more. The next one that I see is a 370 Apple call that expires this Friday. So I've also been looking at the charts for Apple today. I know Apple topped out at about 352 and it has made a lot of movements lately. It's even got some upgrades. So hey, hands down, without a doubt, I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna take our chances. We're gonna see what's up.
Okay, so
All right, so we secured that Apple call. We got filled for 25 cents. This is what the portfolio looks like currently right here, right now. We got the Exxon, we got Ford. All these contracts expire this week. I'm definitely going to check back in tomorrow and definitely need to get out by the next day. So the turnaround time on these are much shorter than I did in the last video and the week before. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to see how this turns out. But anyways, I grabbed all my plays. I want to know, have you been using bar chart? Have you tried any unusual options activity? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to know, what are your experiences? But anyways, if you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I make new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.